Hey guys, Stacy here with Life's a Project. So today's project is planting up these two hanging baskets. So they may look familiar to you. I actually planted these up in a previous video early in the season with impatiens. I did a video on that, and the follow-up video was kind of sad because the Japanese beetles totally ate them up. I tried everything, but a few days ago I decided to dump them out, and so now I thought about planting them up with something else. Normally I would just kind of store them back till next season, but I actually was at Lowe's and stumbled upon these African marigolds. Got the tag here. So African marigolds bloom to the fall. Normally $14.98. I actually got them for $5 a piece, so I thought that was a awesome deal I couldn't pass up. But anyway, so I love the color of marigolds. And marigolds always perform. I plant them up every year. So these looked, pretty sad. I actually deadheaded them a lot and watered them. And so I wanted to try to plant them up in these hanging baskets. So I've already got the potting soil mix and the Biotone starter plant food. So I just got to work that in. So I'm just going to plant these up. So you just kind of want to work it into that top layer. Okay, so I like to kind of push it back, make a well. I can always add more soil, you just don't want to overfill it. These marigolds are in a 1.5 gallon container, so I may have to remove some of the dirt. Oh yes, and look at this. This is really bad, root bound, so I want to loosen that up. So I removed some of the soil and kind of loosened up those roots there. I'm going to set it down in here. I think it still needs some soil removed. So I'm just going to start by working that soil up around that root ball, because you don't want any air. I think I may have to add some more soil in, so I'll do that here in a minute. I think that looks pretty good. So got one done. One more to go. Now for the second one here. Taking it out of the container. And it too is really bad root bound. So I'm just going to kind of remove some of this soil. So I've just kind of pushed the soil back just like the first one. And I'm going to place this in and work the soil around the root ball. I'm going to add more soil, and then I'm going to hang these up. Okay, so I had to do a little cleanup. I got soil everywhere, adding it in around the root ball, but these are looking pretty good. So all I have to do is water them in and hang them on my back deck. So guys, there it is, hanging on my deck. I just love the way it looks. It filled that basket in really nicely. I love those fall colors. So I think this will be so pretty going into the fall. The other one on this side looks really good as well. I watered them in. You can see the water coming out the bottom. The only thing I had really back here, you can see the super bells. They're doing good. Oh, and some marigolds down there. The sun's out really bright. It's probably hard to see. So I'm really glad I picked up these plants. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.